Hi, I'm Don Bailey, and I'm the owner of Suburban Tool. We've had a lot of inquiries and a lot of requests to explain to you about my background and about Suburban Tool, so we're going to tell you a little bit about it. I was a tool maker back in the 50s and 60s, and I loved the trade. And back in those days, when I first started, I was working for a shop that did precision gears and splines, and I didn't know anything about it. And the guy said to me, you know what a thousandths is? And I said, I think I do. I'm not sure. Anyway, I really didn't know what it was, but he gave me one of these. And by the way, this is less than a thousand. It's 8/10, 4/10 on each side. And he said, you see those two arrows? And I said, yeah. He said, well, I want you to go over here and I want you to grind this gear, and you need to put it between those arrows. I said, oh, okay. I didn't know what the hell it was all about, so I did. Anyway, I did a whole rack of these things. The guy came up to me later and he said, I said, I'm done with these. And he said, you're kidding me. And I said, no, I'm done. He said, well, we better check them. Well, it turned out they were all good. But I didn't know the difference. And that made it easy for me to hold a tenth or two all day long. So it's what I did. It's what we do here. At Suburban Tool, I bought the business back in the mid-70s, and it only had a couple of employees at that time. And today we're in a 70,000-foot facility, and we have a number of employees back there, upwards of 70 or so. And most of our guys are on grinders, and it's what we do all day long is we hold 2/10. It's like falling out of bed. It's everything that if you check our product line, you'll see that everything is within a couple of tenths. It's just what we do. Square, parallel, flatness. It's not a big deal for us because we know how to wipe a surface plate. We know how to keep it clean. We know how to inspect it. We know how to work with it. If you look at our products online, you'll see that almost everything we make is within 2/10 of square, parallel, flatness, etc. So it's kind of what we do. But why are we here? What are we going to do that's different? There's a lot of videos out there and a lot of channels out there that are terrific, and I recommend you check them out. We're not the only game in town, but we are going to make a difference in our videos, and we have been. Our focus is not so much on the mechanical side as much as it is the break between mechanics and artistic. And that's what I think makes us different, or will make us different from everybody else. A guy by the name of Herbie Redmond, who is a legend. This guy is in the history books. Why? All he did was he swept the infield at the Detroit Tigers back in the 80s. And this guy's a legend because he danced when he swept the infield. That's what made him different. That's the break between being just somebody else and being an artist or making himself different. And that's what we want to do for you. We want to help make you different from anybody else. And we can do that with you by showing you the artistic side and making that break and that transition from being a mechanic to being an artist. And all of our videos are going to be focusing around that. Again, there's a lot of great videos out there that'll show you how to do things. We're going to do that too, but we're going to show you that little special extra effort that will make you different and make you a better employee. And it'll make it fun for you because it's a new adventure. So I suggest you subscribe to our channel, our videos. Check us out. We have about 65 videos out there at the moment. We're going to make another 1 or 2 a week, and I don't think we'll ever run out of videos. Jim and I chatted about it, and Jim came up with some great ideas for videos. And we have Glenn here as well that's been doing doing a terrific job with the camera and doing the editing. And we need to thank Glenn as well as Jim for all the extra efforts. So thank you, Glenn. Thank you, Jim. And so again, go to our channel, subscribe to it, watch it. I think you're going to find it's going to be great. And I know you're going to enjoy it. And I know it's going to make you a better person. So thanks for watching.